Hey there. So the team over at Bulldogology sent over this bucket style seat cover for me to open and share my thoughts on it with you. So let's start by looking at a few of the features. Again, it's bucket style, so I'm going to use it in my front seat for the dog. It is fully waterproof. It's machine washable. It has adjustable straps and a non-slip backing. It's 2x stitch for extra durability, and it's universal for most vehicles. So let's open it up and take a look at it. So it comes in its own box. Comes with its own harness, so you would plug this part into your seatbelt, and then this will connect to your pet. So this is what it looks like. So there's the seat portion, so you can see it's going to go down over the front of that bucket style seat to offer some additional protection. It's going to go all the way up the back. It's going to strap in around the headrest, and this does adjust. There's the non-skid backing that's going to help everything stay put. This is the strap that goes around the back. It is heavyweight. I really like the weight of it. I like that it's going to cover the entire seat. The stitching looks really good on it. This is, again, the Bulldogology seat cover for a bucket style seat.